Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to compare VOO with SPY. Now you have the asset under management 325 billion, SPY 400 plus billion. Expense ratio is better for VOO because you have like 0.03 to 0.09. Liquidity is like both are high, a similar dividend yield, and also dividend distribution also similar. You see right here the kind of like top 10 holdings is same, and for example, like only Tesla is a little bit different there. Sector allocation nearly identical for tech, healthcare, financials. Consumer, communication. And when you can see here also for the 100k investment value, it's very similar on both sides. So that's pretty much it for the VOO versus SPY. Hope this video provided you value, and have a great day and goodbye.